Want to save energy and add smartness to your recessed lights while doing it? Let's check out these smart retrofit LEDs from Lumary today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's unbox and try out these smart retrofit recessed LEDs from Lumary. If you've seen my other video on how to select and install these retrofit recessed LEDs, these Lumary LEDs are like supercharged ones compared to those. They're even easier to install, have 16 million colors to choose from, and can be controlled with the phone app or just by voice. They come in single packs of 4, 8, or 12. Here is a 4-pack, and the box is printed with good information and specs. These LEDs are RGB with tunable white, from 2700 to 6000 kelvins, greater than 90 CRI color accuracy, rated 13 watts at 1100 lumens. The beam angle is 100 degrees, and they last 25,000 hours. Inside the box, there is a quick start guide, 4 lights, 2 on each side. These are the 5 or 6 inch LEDs, which will work with either 5 or 6 inch diameter housing cans. Just like the ones I've installed in the other video, the Lumary LED is all in one piece. It has a white metallic face with a baffle trim around the LED. The diameter is about 7.28 inches, so it could cover up to 5 or 6 inch cans without any problem. It's the exact same size as the other LEDs. It's a little bit deeper at 3 inches. Similarly, in the back, there is a pigtail with a LED TP24 connector, which is connected to an adapter to screw into a traditional E26 socket. What's different is the Lumary LED has these 3 mounting blades, which makes installation even easier than the torsion springs on this other LED. Instead of squeezing the springs to try to fit them into the inside clips of the can, the Lumary LED just needs to be pushed in, no alignment needed. Let's give that a try. Remember to turn off the light first, then remove the bulb. Be careful, the bulb may be hot if the light has been on. The type of trim in my house was held in by a couple of springs on the top of the can, so I can reach up and unhook the springs, or just pull down on the trim hard and the springs will pop out. To install the Lumary Retrofit Smart LED, just screw in the E26 socket at the end of the pigtail. And simply push the light up. That's it. When you first turn the light on, it blinks on and off, indicating it's ready to be paired and set up. The app to control the light is called Lumary. It's available on both iOS and Android devices. Once the app is installed, create an account and sign in. Hit this app button on the top right corner of the app. The app will scan for nearby devices ready to pair. Select the LED once it shows up. Pick the Wi-Fi SSID and enter the password. Wait for the app to pair with the LED and set it up. There it is. The name of the light can be modified. Let's call this one L1. And it's all ready to go. There are instructions in the manual on how to reset the light to different manual pairing modes if needed, but the simple easy setup mode has worked for me. In the app, I can turn the light on and off, and in the dimmer tab, the white color temperature can be selected. There are presets I can add on the top, and above that, I can adjust the dimmer or light brightness. I like how the bar thickens as I scroll. In another page, I can adjust any RGB color to set the mood. Red, yellow, green, blue, purple, and anything in between. I can add more presets as the other page, and adjust the brightness with this bar on the top. And that's not all. Under the Scene tab, there are many preset scenes to choose from. The first 8 can be customized. For example, colorful cycles through these 6 colors. The scene name, color flash mode, and flash speed can all be customized. And there's more. Under the Music tab, the app can listen to music and change the light colors accordingly. There it goes. Very cool. Perfect for parties. Under Setting, a plan or schedule can be programmed. There's a timer, a rhythm to set up a comprehensive program for an entire week. The power on mode could be changed to initial default color and brightness, the last used color and brightness, or a customized color and brightness. As long as the Wi-Fi stays stable, I find the app to work quite reliably. I'm very impressed with all the options the light can be customized with. If I go into the editing menu for the light, I can create a group and put multiple lights into the group to control them together. Oh, and the Lumary app can be linked with Alexa or Google Assistant, so these lights can be controlled with voice and be a part of a greater smart home setup, scenes, and routines. The Lumary Retrofit Smart Recessed LED light is about $32 each. 4-pack, 8-pack, and 12-pack come with some discounts. There are additional good discounts from time to time in the link I'll put in the description below. If you're just looking for simple $5-6 not smart retrofit recessed LEDs to replace the old power-hungry halogen or incandescent recessed lights with, check out this video I'll link here and in the description below on how to choose and install those. But if you're looking for supercharged Wi-Fi connected smart LEDs that could be integrated into your smart home with millions of colors to choose from, check these out. Let me know which ones you're looking for in the comment section below. You'll save a lot of energy while looking good with either option. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, check out this video next. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment. Thanks for Lumary for sending these out for me to try and share with you. So I can reach up and unhook the springs, or just pull down or just pull down on the trim hard and the springs will pop out. If I go into the editing menu for the light, I could create a group and put multiple lights into that group to control them together. So I can reach up and unhook the springs, or just pull down on the trim hard and the springs will pop out. If I go into the editing menu for the light, I can create a group and put multiple lights into the group to control them together.